The obituary, it was actually a long obituary, talked about Stephen's life. It got into all his love for elk hunting, his love of his dogs, and going four-wheeling, and doing all the things 19-year-olds do. But I just found it kind of interesting that the obituary said he died at home. And I felt like it was trying to cover up what the truth was. I personally am not ashamed telling people my nephew died because he killed himself. I think it's important that we get the word out, that even 19-year-olds are contemplating this because they're not quite sure how to handle the pressures of today's society. And I don't think it's getting better. I think it's getting much more difficult for teenagers to grow up. And I think when you put something in the paper that says he died at home, it's not the truth. And I think the more we're honest about what happened, the more it's going to, I pray, help somebody to overcome whatever obstacle, or maybe even see something in their own children that they need to address.